All right. Got some truck stuff. So yeah. Ultimate hood lift, 1995, 2004 Toyota Tacoma. Pretty sure this will also work with a 4Runner, but maybe double check with the website. So we got some struts. We got some hardware, sticker, instructions. Seems pretty easy. Oh man, this is a lot of reading. Oops. Okay. These little brackets, first set of brackets are in. One on this side. It's pretty strong. And one over here. Let's go right here. Got a lot of strength on those, so far so good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This f***ing rolls, dude. Boom. So it's freezing cold outside right now. That's why the chargers or whatever aren't working as good. They usually work better in hot weather, but normally there, as you can see, it's a couple inches taller too, which is nice. A little bit more room. And yeah, nothing hit the line here. Nothing hit, believe it or not, on the limited. It's got all this extra bullshit here. A bunch of extra bullshit only over here. The only thing it did hit was this little cap. Normally this cap sits up. I'm now having to move the cap down like that, and that clears it, and hopefully that doesn't cause any problems. Doesn't seem like it should. So now that one's clear. Oh, I fucking love it. I wish I had done this like years ago. This is amazing.